thanks for watching another video. I wanted to do something crazy because you know everyone's bored right now. I really want a new look, so I decided to dye my hair purple. Just kidding, this is a temporary hair wax, so that means it's very washable. This is great because it's temporary and you don't have to commit to bleaching your hair and keeping it for months at a time and the issue of it fading. So this is the product I got from Amazon. It looks like this. It's the color purple. So before we start, I already showered. I already put the styler cream on, so it's ready. It's usually recommended to have your hair wet and all your product on before using the wax because it's a bit thick. Using this product should be fine for a one-time use. It seems like you can use it 2 to 3 times after a wash. It smells very like fresh. This is the color. So before you use it, I would recommend seeing if you're allergic to or sensitive to any of these things before you put it on. This is my first time trying it, so we'll see the results together. So since it's wax, I would recommend not wearing anything fancy. Even if you do stain it, it's very washable. So you just put it in the laundry and it's as brand new. Maybe take this section. Just gonna put it at the bottom. So far, so good. It looks cool. I love this color. This is a very thick wax. So if you have light hair or thin hair, I don't think, and your hair gets greasy a lot, I don't recommend doing this. It's just gonna weigh it down. You're gonna lose your curls. Look at this. It's almost done. Oops. I kind of got paint on the wall. I honestly thought because it's wax, it's gonna smell funky, but it really smells fresh. It smells like I have nothing on. It feels a bit sticky now, but as soon as it dries, it's supposed to blend in. And then you can even sleep overnight with it. As long as it's dry and it's not wet, it shouldn't stain your bed, your pillowcase. So I think you're all good. This is the look. I try to shake as much as I could just to give it more volume since the wax is weighing down my hair. Overall, it looks great. It's a fun thing to try without committing to an actual hair dye. What do you guys think? Please let me know what you think and if you want me to try anything else. Thanks for watching and please like and subscribe to my channel. What do you think?
Wow. That's crazy. Can I touch it?
Yeah, touch it.
Oh, it feels weird.
Yeah, because it's not dry yet.
Wow.